Now you have to become a witness unto the whole humanity, witness over them or against them on the day of judgment. You will be required to testify that, oh Allah, we had conveyed the message of your Prophet to the whole of humanity. And if you have not conveyed, what would be the fate? The whole of humanity would have a case against you. They will sue you in the court of Allah. Oh Allah, they were the custodians of your book. They said, Muhammad belongs to us. They took pride in it. We are the Ummah of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But they never conveyed the message of Muhammad, or for that matter, message of you, your message to us. They are to blame. Ask them. The message never was conveyed to us. How come we are being held responsible? Is it not logical? Make a judgment for your own self.